Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Keyword Planner in Google Ads and choosing Discover New Keywords. Once done, paste 3 5-seed keywords or a target URL so the tool has context. This drives relevant suggestions. Make sure to set the location, language, and search network first, because those filters change volume and competition. Then click Get Results to pull ideas now. You're not configuring campaigns yet. You're collecting data. So focus on broad but relevant seeds to surface useful keyword clusters. Now you'll filter and refine the raw list to find actionable opportunities. First, apply average monthly searches and competition filters to remove noise, then sort by relevance or search volume to prioritize. Once sorted, group keywords by intent, informational, transactional, navigational, and add sets to your plan or export a CSV for deeper analysis. Make sure to review trends and top-of-page bid ranges to gauge commercial value. This helps you decide which keywords to target on landing pages and in content clusters. To finish, assign prioritized keywords to specific pages and create a content or optimization timeline. Focus on one primary keyword and 2 supporting terms per page. Once live, track rankings and traffic, then update your keyword list monthly to adapt. If results look thin or volatile, broaden seed terms, increase location scope, or switch match types to gather more data. This fixes sparse suggestions. Finally, document changes and test landing page tweaks. Small iterative updates compound into measurable SEO gains over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.